Hey guys, in this video I want to cover the back function. It's pretty straightforward and very simple to use. So here I have a 3-screen app. Okay, nothing special on screen 1. This is the item that we've been showing you throughout the entire video. Then we have a screen 2 and we have a screen 3. Now on screen 1 I do have buttons for screen 2, and you see I click it and I go there, and then I have screen 3 and then it goes to screen 3. However, on screen number 2, I'm going to insert instead of a button, let's do an icon, and let's search for back. Okay, they have a back arrow as an icon, and then they have a back arrow as a shape. So let's make this like stupidly large, right? And by the way, if you use the shift key and grab the corner, you can make it like super big. All right, so here on select, I'm simply just going to use the back function. Okay, back, and we'll leave it as that. So now if I press Alt, that looks good. So let's go here, let's copy this, let's go to screen 3, let's click this here again, let's copy these buttons, and let's go to screen 2. Let's pop these out. Let's put this over here. So screen 3 is good, but I want to change the function on this one to go to screen 1. And then let's on screen 3. We'll leave 2, but we'll change this to screen 1. And let's change the label so that it goes to screen 1. And I think I forgot to change the label for this one as well. Alright, so here's what I'm going to go ahead and play this. So let's play this. Alright, so I'm on screen. Actually, we're not going to be able to tell if I don't do this. So let's do one other thing here real quick, and you'll see a previous function that we use come into play here. Let's insert a text input. No, not a text input. I want a label. Insert a label. And let's do app.activescreen.name. Okay. Copy, paste. There we go. All right, now we can play. This way we can tell where we're at. So if we use screen 2, we're now on screen 2. Now, if I click this back button, the way the back button works, and this is where you're going to need to understand, this is why I went through the complexity of setting all this up for you. On this particular app, if I use the back button, it's always going to take me back from the last screen that I came from. So for example, if I click here, I'm going to go back to screen 1. If I go to screen 2 and then I navigate to screen 3, and you can see I am on screen 3 over here. If I hit the back button, I'm not going to go back to the home screen or screen 1. I'm going to go back to screen 2. So I click back and now I'm on screen 2. If I click back again, I'm going to go then to there. So it does seem to have a memory a couple of layers deep. How many layers deep? I don't know. I've never tested to see how many layers deep. But just know that the back button always works based on where you got to that screen from, and the back button will take you back to that screen. So if you want to explicitly go back always to the home, then don't use the back function. And at that point, you know, you'll just have to simply just use a menu system or something like that to get you where you need to be. So just understand the intended behavior of it and you won't get all spun around. Thanks a lot. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.